YouTube, so I'm really happy right now. I don't know. I'm really happy. I wanted to get this on camera and permanentize it. I think we need to save things like this. Like our happy memories, just whether in a picture or in a video that goes online for like 100 and something people to see. Document your happiness in a journal or in a photo or in a video, because I know there are times that I'm going to be struggling and I'll look back at this and be like, that was a good day. Yeah, I don't know, random idea popped in my head. It's a good day. It's a really good day. It's a really good day. Yeah. Hey YouTube, sorry I'm a little tired, but I'm about to show you why, my day. I am an intern, and here's what today consisted of.
No, I brought it.
Holy crap. Son of a what?
Motherless goat.
Okay.
Look at that.
It's like the coolest thing in the world.
I'm working on right here. No. Nice.
So we went for a little car ride. Here's what it looks like. I don't want to pee myself. I'm kind of nervous. 105? Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, we're up to 100.
We're 100 right now?
105, yeah, and we're braking. Wow, that was a good
my
break.
gosh. Holy crap.
We'll call you in a bit.
We'll call you in a
Sweet. Sweet action.
Oh my gosh.
That was amazing.
There's nothing to hold on to.
Except for my sanity.
This is amazing.
Your mom's gonna kill me. Alexander.
And I'm okay with that.
Okay.
It's one of my favorite days of my life.
When do you get scared? I always ask flight attendants, like during
Right?
turbulence.
Very rarely.
Really?
Yeah.
That was the best thing ever. So, today, as you just saw, I was in a car going 110 miles per hour on a racetrack. Let me tell you, it is such a rush, and the video doesn't do it justice. Like, those turns, you just feel this adrenaline going, and it's so insane, and you're hugging these curves, and oh my gosh, and we like fishtailed it, and it's unexplainable, like the adrenaline rush and the craziness, and like, it's so much fun. It was amazing. Okay, you probably can't see too well, but it's raining. One thing you should know about me is I love the rain. We don't get it a lot, but I love it. Also, behind here, you'll see this Donald Duck. This Donald Duck has been on our chalkboard for over almost 2 years now. Hence the please do not erase. Thank you for the light, Mother. And my grandpa drew it. And so we just have never erased it. And I love it. It's awesome. One quick thing about Charlie McDonald. Now I know you guys are like, stop making videos that are about him. This isn't about him. This is a segment of the video about him. I have an apple. Anyways, in his most recent video about nerdiness, he admitted that every single girlfriend that he has met on the internet. So, to some people, this may be a little thing, mainly guys. But to the girls that watch this video that are completely in love with Charlie and are enthralled with everything that is Charlie McDonald, will just think to themselves, oh my gosh, is he serious? I'm on the internet. I have a shot! Thousands and thousands of girls are thinking this. Now don't get me wrong, not all of them are. But a lot of them will be. So now I'm kind of scared for Charlie. And sad for those girls. And for Charlie. Yes, so that's my thought of the day. Also, like I said, I have an apple. Ta-da! No, this is not going to be about Twilight. So there is this little thing, apparently, that if you twist your apple core, whatever, you say the alphabet, and then whatever letter it lands on, that is the first, or no, that's the first or last initial, I forget. We'll find out, of the person you are going to marry. So let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, M. Okay, so I'm going to find out if it's first or last name, and for first names. This is the weirdest apple thing to me. I don't know. Anyways, first names. Mark, Matt, Malfoy. No! That's a last name, and not who I'm going to marry. Little stuff like that, I think is fun. I was definitely one of those girls who did the he loves me not with flower petals. Hey, awkward ending to my video. Joke of the day! What's brown and sticky? A stick! Ah, knee slapper!